Hey developers, what's up guys? Welcome to Developers. My name is Amin and today, as I said, I want to talk about React.js and its roadmap. Stay with me until the end of the video and please do not forget to subscribe me. Let's go. We are going to kick things off by quickly covering what in the world is React. First of all, I want to talk about React.js roadmap in developers. We have setup first, and I will talk about setup and actually dev environment and whatever you need to start React.js. After that, we will talk about our tutorial and some basics part in React.js. After that, we have some complex tutorial in React.js that called React hooks and actually context API, that is something to make connection and relation between frontend and backend. And next, we have React router. These are the whole view of our React.js roadmap in developers. But now I want to talk about React.js itself. There is no better place to start than the official docs of React.js that are located in reactjs.org. Here is a short and concise sentence that says a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. It is the definition of React.js. React.js was developed by Facebook in 2011 and has some competitors like Angular and Vue.js, but React is more popular than them. And actually, when it comes to React, it's all about components. They are chunk of user interfaces. They are independent chunk of user interfaces, and they can be as small as HTML element, or you can do a whole project, a complete project in React.js with one component, and a lot of it depends on your need. And the benefits of components is bunch of isolated, independent and reusable user interfaces that you can piece them together. But now please do not forget about speed. React.js uses something called virtual DOM, that where only the component need to be updated is effective. Next step is about our tutorial goals. In this course, I want you guys to be comfortable with React.js. That means to me two things. First, you can find some external resources and how to use them and where you can find them to do your work best. And second is about you guys, and I want you to build your own project at the end of our course. And actually, in my opinion, to learning a language or framework, doing many projects is better than everything. That's what we will do in our course. Next topic is about React.js tutorial requirement. As I said, HTML and CSS are some tools for website to make the structure of your website. And about JavaScript that make your website alive. These are the requirements of your work to start React.js. But if you don't know them, don't worry. I will cover all of them in this course. And now we have a structure. To start React.js, dev environment is so important, and what web browser is better, or command line, or actually your text editor. These are some important things to start React.js. And after that, we will talk about our tutorial and start our tutorial from basic part and, as I said, to complex parts. Next, we will do many projects, and then we will do many projects to enforce that particular subject matter that we are learning. But these are not the end of our work, and we will cover Redux and why it is used. Today our video is at its end and hope to be useful, guys. But next session I will talk about our dev environment that we need to start React.js. So do not lose our next video, and please subscribe me. Be nice, guys. Farewell.